Hi again, I'm Adam. Welcome back to another episode and the last in our Google Ads for Dummies series. Today we will be going through how to build a PMax campaign and how to get the best results. Performance Max is a campaign type that makes it easier for advertisers to reach customers across Google's platforms. Some of these various platforms are YouTube, Search, Display, Gmail, and Maps. This is designed to complement your existing search campaigns using Google's automation capabilities. With Performance Max, you can focus on achieving specific goals, which will result in more conversions and added value. It does this by optimizing your campaign's performance in real time across different channels using smart bidding. Performance Max utilizes Google's AI technologies to improve bidding, budget management, audience targeting, creative content, and attribution. All of these will work together to give you better results. Performance Max is the best option to use when you have specific advertising and conversion goals. For example, driving online sales, lead generation, and others. It also works well if you're not limited to what channel you want your ads to run on. A PMax campaign will also work well when you want to use one campaign to run across all channels. If you want to gain additional reach and conversion value beyond keyword-based campaigns. Some of the main benefits whilst using a Performance Max campaign include unlocking new audiences across Google's channels and networks, driving better performance against your goals, getting more transparent insights within your campaign, simplify campaign management and easily optimize your ads. Some of the drawbacks for a Performance Max campaign. Currently, there is limited visibility in how your budget is distributed between these ads. Without proper monitoring, it can cannibalize some of your other campaigns and claim credit for the good results. The level of detail offered within these campaigns can be slightly limited compared to search-based or shopping campaigns. Thank you for joining us on our series of Google Ads for Dummies. We hope to see you soon. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more. Thank you.